वीडियो में देख ले, येलो येलो देख ले। हाँ ये ले, सब लोग बैठ जाओ। मैडम जी बैठ जाओ। मैडम बैठ जाओ, स्टील हो गया। अरे रील खत्म करोगे?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
अरे स्टील बैठ जाओ। अरे यार स्टील बैठो ना यार। स्टील। अरे टोपी।
Yes. Good afternoon, ladies and
मानो नीचे हो
gentlemen.
जाओ बाबू।
I'm Suchitra Pillai, and on behalf of Farrakhan Fine Jewelry, a very warm welcome to you all here for the launch of the much-awaited Farrakhan Fine Jewelry for Krish. A renowned jewelry designer and gemologist has always been creatively inclined. Her sense of visual perception stimulates her senses to see design in the least expected places. Farrakhan jewelry is distinctive in style. It is intricate, yet striking and very bold. It is synonymous with setting high standards for style, quality, detailing, design and elegance. So it's time now to meet the lady behind it all. I request Farrakhan Ali, Creative Director, Farrakhan Fine Jewelry, to please.
Thank you so much. I just want to say something about creating this huge piece of jewelry for Krish Jewelry. My inspiration was Hrithik himself because I've known Hrithik as a child, many years, and I've seen him throughout the years how he's changed and he's turned his first jobs into his biggest strength. And that for me is the most important thing any human being can do. When both of us discussed this idea of, I asked him one day when he came over to my house, we were trying Rocky, Italian Rocky. What is it about Krish Trees actually motivates you so much and makes you so strong? And he said, well, it's not just the movie, it's the idea behind the whole board. He says, each one of us has the power to make a difference in someone else's life. We just have to extend that hand. And that thought was so beautiful that I said, why don't we immortalize it as a piece of jewelry? Because jewelry outlives its wearer. And one thing led to another, and this is very excited, and here we go.
Uncle. मानो नीचे हो जाओ, अंकल नीचे हो जाओ, प्लीज।
And now, what we've all been waiting for is my extreme privilege to invite the inspiration behind this collaboration, Mr. Hrithik Roshan himself, to join us here to say a few words.
I was asking myself, why are we here today? Is it because of Krish? Is it because of Farah? Is it because of me? What is it truly about? And I think it's about all of us. Whenever I've done a character in my movies, I've always tried to invite certain qualities, a certain value of that character that I can use in my own life to make myself a stronger person, better person.
अरे यार ये किसके ऊपर वायर के ऊपर कौन बैठा है यार? वायर फंस गया।
अभी ठीक है, आ रही है आवाज, आ रही है? So as I was saying, which I will repeat now again, all over again, thanks to all of you all not keeping the mics here in time. Why are we all here? I think this is beyond and Bolu. I think it's more than Krish. It's more than about me. It's more than just Farah. It's today we are here. I think more because it's about all of us. When I do my characters in my films all through these years, I've always tried to search and look for certain values and certain characters, certain traits of that character that I can imbibe into my own self to make myself a stronger person, better person. And I think the character of Krish, I think, has had the maximum impact on myself than any other role that I've played in my life. And through him I learned that being a superhero is not really about, wearing a mask or a cape and flying through buildings. It's not really about that. When I put on the jacket, even though I have pains in my knee or my back, or I'm in despair, I'm struggling with something, but when I wear that jacket, there's a mental shift that happens, and I feel unstoppable. I feel unbreakable, and I used to ask myself, what is this? What is this shift that has happened in my head that's making me unstoppable? That I can go through 80 days of action with a double slip disc in my back and no cartilage in my knees, and I can still do it. What is it? And I realized that it is just that. It's just a mental shift. It's associating with the values of a superhero. A superhero is somebody who contributes to others, who selflessly goes out there and makes an example of himself in terms of courage, in terms of values, in terms of strength. He lends a helping hand. Whatever powers he has, he uses to give to others, to help others. His life is less about himself and more about the people around him who love him. And I think that is the secret to happiness also. So I have tried to remind myself on and on to associate with that value, with those attributes. And time and time again, whether it was the hole in my brain or whether it was the other umpteen problems that I've so often repeated, it's brought about something that is such a huge transformation in my life personally, that I wanted to remember this. I wanted to have this association with those values of a superhero, knowing that it's just a decision that we make. Whatever we go through in our lives, we'll go through ups, we'll go through downs. All of us go through the same. There is no difference between your problems and mine. We all have the same problems when we go through them. And at that time, it's very easy to lose objectivity. So what do you do at that time? You have to have some kind of an ideal, some kind of a goal, some kind of hope, something that gives you a dream to associate with for you to get through it. And when Farah came up to me and she said that, you know what, I'm thinking about this, I was delighted. I was so happy that I feel that I have manifested this, the whole thing. Because I was thinking all these things through all the months of shooting Krish, which was it was a huge journey. It was a big struggle, especially because all the doctors said that I should not do this film because of all my problems. And but I got through it. And of course, the journey is not important. We all have our stories of how hard we work and how much we have done. What's up? They're all kahanis in our own heads. What is important is the result. So I won't talk about the journey, but I will say that when Farah came to me, I was delighted because finally now I have something to associate with, to remind myself that I can be what I want to be within myself. It is about me. It is about creating my own environment from within. And it sounds like a lot of words, but I have experienced it. I've experienced the change. And if people can even get 50% of what I'm saying, it's a start. Or 5% of what I'm saying, it's a start. All it takes is to feel it, is to clap your hands, get up and say, I am ready to take on whatever life throws at me. And once you say that,
your life changes. You know, you can get through whatever you think you can't get through. So it's all about that. It's about changing your physiology. That's what used to happen when I used to wear the Krish cape. It used to change my physiology. I used to be like this, ke aaj kaise hoga yaar, peeth mein dard hai, this problem, that problem. And the moment I used to wear the jacket, I used to stand up and I used to feel so strong, like absolutely unstoppable. So this is something that is going to remind me of that all my life. Whether I am going through something good, whether I'm going through something bad, despair, sadness, whatever it is, this is going to get me back up. And I want to thank Farah and her extremely talented mind. There are very few people in the world who inspire by their creativity, and she's one of them. And it's not just that she can inspire by her creativity. She can do it because she is that within herself as well. That is why I think this connection works, because she is exactly the embodiment of what I'm saying. She's been through tough times. She has risen above impossibilities which other people would have actually said, you know, I give up. But she did not give up. She went on, and today she is where she is because she identifies and has lived by the same values as Krish. So I think this association it just was meant to be. You know, it was just meant to be. And I'm extremely happy, and I want to thank her for being the person she is and for inspiring me in return. For all the...
We have a common inspiration club here. He inspires me and I inspire him.
And it's time for us to try and inspire all of you.
Correct.
And that's why we are here. It is not about, as I said, it's not about Krish, it's not about us. This is something that is hopefully our contribution to the world, to inspire them, to help them in associating with that power and with that strength that is within them. You know, it is not me, it is not her, it is you. You have it within you. Again, sounds like a lot of words, but dude, I have experienced it, I have felt it, and you can do it if I can. That's all I want to say.
And I'm sure they will agree that Krish is not just a movie. It's most definitely a symbol to remind everybody about the values to help anyone overcome hurdles during any times of despair. So it's time now for all of us to find that little bit of Krish inside of us, and to help us with that, it's the new collection. So it's time for Hrithik to unveil our new collection.
हाँ हो रहा है दोबारा टेक 2 हो रहा है. हाँ एक मिनट रुकना है. यहाँ पे नीचे सेंटर मैम. वापस सर यहाँ पे नीचे
www.farahkhanfinejewelry.com.
सर यहाँ पे नीचे ऋतिक सर
I just want to say something that these products are in silver and diamond and sapphire. They're very reasonably priced, from the range of 2,000 rupees to 6,000 rupees, because the idea is that each one of us should possess it. Each one of us should be able to buy it. So we hope that each one of you appreciates the quality and the way we've actually created this piece, and we hope you will love it as much as we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's also the right time to now announce that the website www.farahkhanfinejewelry.com is right now live And the exclusive Krish collection that you've just seen is now just a click away. So anybody can buy it. As Farah mentioned, it's a range between 2,500 to 6,000, very easily affordable for anybody who wants to discover the Krish inside of them.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ritik. Thank you very much, Farah. I hope all of you have enjoyed seeing this collection. I hope all of you will go out there and just buy it, because I know I'm buying something for sure. So thank you very much for being here today.
I'll go from this.
अरे पीपल का ढूंढ
शूटिंग हो रही है तो Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. That's all right. Keep going.
No IDs, no IDs, no IDs, no IDs. Just one picture. No, sorry, you no guys, sorry. No channel ID also. Mayur.
I'll just finish one second. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. आज पहला दिन है नवरात्र का, तो मैं समझती हूँ कि एक बहुत ऑस्पिशियस डे है। मैं ये भी समझती हूँ कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में जो भी ऑस्पिशियस होता है वो होता है क्योंकि हमारी मेहनत से होता है। सो मैं मेहनती ओके सॉरी मैं मेहनती हूँ, और मैं समझती हूँ कि अगर आप मेहनत करें तो कुछ भी हासिल कर सकते हो। तो इसलिए ये जो भी हमने बनाया है कृष के लिए, मैं ये समझती हूँ कि हमारे खुद के अंदर मिरेकल्स है। हम खुद मिरेकल्स बना सकते हैं किसी और के लिए, हम खुद मिरेकल्स बन सकते हैं अपने आप के लिए। सिर्फ विश्वास की ज़रूरत है, अपने आप में विश्वास कि हम किसी की ज़िंदगी बदल सकते हैं अच्छाई के लिए। और इसलिए हमने ये थॉट को लेकर इसको एक ज्वेलरी पीस में इमोर्टलाइज किया है, क्योंकि ज्वेलरी जो है इट आउटलिव्स द वेयर। लोग मरते हैं मगर पीसेस ऑफ ज्वेलरी आर पास डाउन जनरेशंस। तो हम चाहते हैं कि लोग जब ये पहने वो हमेशा सोचे कि मेरे में शक्ति है, मेरे में ताकत है, मेरे में शौर्य है, और मैं किसी की ज़िंदगी बदल सकता हूँ या बदल सकती हूँ। हाँ, नए घर के लिए मतलब I haven't bought a new house. Which new house? हाँ, Ritik, हाँ, okay. That you should ask him. नहीं, that you should ask him. How can I? I can't. Don't listen. I always wish him well.
पर आप ये जानना चाहेंगे कि ऋतिक का जो इस ज्वेलरी के साथ कनेक्शन कैसे हुआ, आपने कैसे कन्विंस किया ज्वेलरी का, या पहले से आइडिया था ऐसा आपका?
मुझे ऋतिक को कन्विंस करने की ज़रूरत नहीं हुई, क्योंकि जब उन्होंने मुझे ये समझाया कि ये जो सिंबल है ये कृष एक स्टोरी है। It's not about a superhero, it's not about a mask, it's not about the costume, it is about the way you feel. और मैंने कहा let's immortalize this in a piece of jewelry. He just thought it was a fabulous idea, and that was the most important thing to me, that उसमें वो समझ थी कि yes, this piece of jewelry people can wear, people can afford, and people can wear it and remember that it means something. That was more important.
इस फ्रेंचाइज के साथ जुड़ने से कैसा लग रहा है?
I wouldn't call this a franchise. I think ये घर का मामला है. Hrithik and me go back a long way. हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं सालों से, much before he became family. And I think हमारे में एक special bond है जहाँ मैं उनको राखी बांधती हूँ. And I feel we're very similar. He's a Capricorn, I'm a Capricorn. He's number one, I'm number one. We both perfectionists. We can drive anyone insane. हमारे बहुत सिमिलैरिटीज़ है. जब भी हम कुछ करते हैं हम पूरी डेडिकेशन के साथ, पूरी कंसंट्रेशन के साथ, और हम समझते हैं कि गिरने पर आदमी को उठना चाहिए. बिकॉज फेलियर इज़ नॉट अबाउट फॉलिंग, फेलियर इज़ अबाउट गिविंग अप. एंड एज लॉन्ग एज यू डोंट गिव अप यू विल ऑलवेज सक्सीड.
जो ऋतिक ने जो बैंड पहना था हाथ में, उसके बारे में उसकी सिग्निफिकेंस के बारे में थोड़ा बता सकते हैं क्या था वो?
जो ऋतिक ने बैंड पहना था हाथ में, वो इट वॉज मेड इन सिल्वर एंड लेदर. इट वॉज मेड इन 92.5 स्टर्लिंग सिल्वर and genuine leather. It's going to be, it signifies courage, it signifies strength, power, to believe in yourself.
और अगर इस ज्वेलरी की बात करें तो कहाँ लोग उसको खरीद सकते हैं?
ये ज्वेलरी अभी अवेलेबल है मेरे वेब पोर्टल पे www.farahkhanfinejewelry.com. अगले हफ्ते से फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी अवेलेबल होगी और दूसरे ऑनलाइन पोर्टल से हम टाई अप कर रहे हैं, उन पे भी अवेलेबल होगी.
So how excited are you to watch this film?
I'm very excited to see the film. It's been 3 years in the making almost, and I'm more excited because of the dedication and the passion that he brings to his roles. His last film was Agnipath, and that was very passionate. So for me, watching my brother on screen is always amazing. Yeah.